Hi guys, welcome to Unbox Tech Traveler, and this is your host Arjun. And I'm really excited about this product that I picked up on Amazon for my mother. It's super awesome that she's gonna upgrade to a smartphone soon, so that we can reach out or if we're traveling or so. So without any further delay, let's dive into the packaging. So firstly, this is the case, and this is the handset itself. So I happen to pick up a handset for her. She's not a heavy user, so something dependable for long run is what. And as you guys know, this is my handy unboxing knife, and let's get into the packaging. So this is basically a Moto G6 64 GB, and for a price of 15,999. So as you guys can know, this is the Moto G6. Say hello. So the Moto G6 is a flagship that is launched this year. So it comes with a 14.5 centimeter Full HD Plus display and a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor, that is Snapdragon 430 series, and it comes with a 3000 mAh battery and a 60 MP low light selfie as well. So I believe it comes with a front flash as well. So that is like a major plus, I guess, for a selfie addict. That's not my mom, don't worry. She just hates photographs a lot of times. So this is another package from Amazon again. So let's see what's inside the package. And these videos are recorded handheld on my smartphone, as my camera seems to be running out of space, and my system has a little I've been traveling and so on. So this is one of the cases that I previously picked up for the Moto G4 as well. So this is how it looks. It's from a brand called Cav Paver, the different feeling. So it's a very neat case. It's priced at 1099, but I think I got it for about 399, 599, I guess. Yeah, 499. Close. So let me set this all aside, and so without any further delay, let's dive into the packaging. Overall, it comes with a very nice, it's neatly packed, and it was shipped around within 1 day's time from Amazon. Cheers to Amazon delivery team for the very nice effort on keeping the customers happy. So let me peel this plastic off, and let's, okay, before that, there is another seal. That's on one side, yes, and it's, before that, around the box you'll see a Moto G6 logo on one side and the Motorola branding up front, with a few briefing about turbo power charger, and here's a briefing, and up and bottom it does come with a pricing. What is the pricing 17,999. So as you guys can see, it's a very neat packaging from Motorola. Actually, my father's been using the previous gen Moto, that is a Moto G4. He's very happy about the product, so I thought my mom also will love the same. So once, my god, Ah, let's see. Oh, man, this one hand unboxing is really taking a toll on me. So as soon as we open the box, we have greeted with the handset itself. That is the G6. Comes with a dual camera setup. One will be a telephoto lens and one will be for portraits. And as we can see, it comes with a flash in the front as well as a camera in the front. So let's see what's this is a quick start guide. Sorry, your quick start guide and a SIM removal tool, the classy turbo charger. So it is not a 3-pin anymore, it is a 2-pin right now. So it comes with a pair of earphones. So let's see. Okay, Motorola has been stepped up the game and they've included earbuds until now. Let me test that out and I'll let you know how it sounds. And this is the USB cable for charging, and that's about the stuffs inside the box. So cheers Motorola on upgrading your earphones. That has been of great help. And so it comes with a pre-applied screen guard. So this is how the phone looks. This is a black variant that I picked up. So it's good for not so heavy user and a person who just wants to make calls and keep this stuff ready at all times. So as we know, it comes with a 16MP camera front to take great selfies. That's too much and too epic as well. So for this, so the look around the phone goes like there's a speaker grill up top and a 16MP camera with a selfie flash, and there's your fingerprint reader. And on the side, on the left hand side, there is nothing out there, and on the right hand side, you'll come with a power button and the volume rocker. The power button and the volume rocker, it's very neatly done. And up top you have the sim area where you have the access for the sim tool, and this comes with a secondary noise cancellation mic. And at the bottom it comes with a USB type C, I guess. Let me check that. And it comes with the earphone jack. So on the back we have classic Motorola branding with the dual flash and the dual camera setup. Yes guys, this is a type C, a good step up from Motorola. Respect that. So let me just slide the SIM card in and let me go through the setup. So this is another good feature from Motorola. As you see, there's a SIM tray. So it comes with 2 nano SIMs as well as one memory card slot, which is a very good thing, I guess. So here afterwards, I feel a lot of companies have been adapting it, so which is a good thing. So cheers Motorola on adding this. This gives us an additional expandable space for those people who love taking photographs on their smartphones. That's my mom powering the phone on. She's trying to figure it out yet. Let's say, man. That's me guiding her. So initially we have been guided with the classic Motorola logo and the Android. And let my mother be busy with her stuff. So yeah, the very fun Moto logo and English India. Let's go. Otherwise, my mom uses a basic 4, so let's say start fresh. So this is my Wi-Fi connection. initially set up the Wi-Fi, and this is the privacy policy. So it's checking for updates. As you see the flashing light, that's your ambient sensor. So my mom does not have a email address, so let me create one and get back to you. So after the initial setup of the account, it says add fingerprint, and let's see, we'll add fingerprint and pattern, and it asks for a secure startup. Give it a yes. So initially the fingerprint setup is like every traditional one. So got it, and back up with your drive and your location and all that. I agree. So it's checking for updates initially. So I'll just skip this for now, and yeah. Anything else? All set. So I haven't set up the face unlock. So yeah. Would you like to add another account and say skip? So let's skip this. We don't want UC browser. So it gives you a selection of apps that initially while setting up, so it makes things easier for you to set up. So we'll have to select and deselect. My mom does not use many of the apps, so let's see what is useful for her. I don't think so she's going to use any of this except weather. Add it, and Truecaller, of course. I believe these two are the apps that my mom is going to use maximum. So apart from it, there won't be nothing much. So let me press next and accept. So yes. So this is the Moto G6, and there's already a system update, and there are a couple of apps that are downloading, and there is a duo and whatnot. So far the device has been very snappy, and there you go. So this is what you get. It's a very clean Android operating system. So let's check the camera on this, and we have the Nokia phone there, and so let me use this and just click a picture and see how good it looks like. The camera features are as follows. It comes with the features like spot fix, panorama, portrait, face filter, and the video features will be slow motion, time lapse, and face filter on the other one. So there's a previous picture I've just captured of my mother's old phone, and wow, the detail is really neat. I believe it's value for money, 100%, and you won't go wrong on this. This phone is basically targeted for people who do not have a heavy use, and this is like a value for money. Basically, it's a mid-segment smartphone, and as soon as we start, we have an update from Motorola. Let me try updating that, and let's hit download button, Wi-Fi only, and continue. So the phone is worth every rupee that you've invested, and I would suggest go for a 64GB one, though it's like 2000 rupees higher than the normal one, which is going to be a value for money, 100%. There is no ifs and doubts about it. So that's it for today, guys, and this is my take on the Motorola G6. This is your host Arjun, signing off.